if you guys haven't seen, this new video is live. What is going on? I hope you guys are having a great day. Whoa, a little close there. Let's focus on my face. How about that, not the wall? Today is Saturday morning. Hopefully, if I do everything right, you guys will see this Sunday, like, afternoon. Just made that video go live at kind of like an odd time, I guess. I don't really post on weekends, but I got a backlog of videos, so I'm just going to be posting a lot. This video is out of order. This is happening on, like, the 5th of January. I got stuff from before New Year's, from New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and a few things in between. So I'm just going to start firing them off. Not in order, obviously, because this one's out of order, but, you know, you guys need to see the footage. It's freezing. It's still cold, as you guys can tell here. I'm wearing my warm jacket, thanks to Taylor. She got this for me. Everyone drop a like, because Taylor got me this jacket. I want to see how many likes this video can get because of this jacket. And thumbs up for flannels, too, because this is kind of like a flannel. Yeah, alright. So if you guys haven't checked out this video, driving in the snow, it was kind of like the journey down here. It was a mess. It took way too long, but I'll put a link somewhere up here, a little tab, a little box. You can click on it and check that out. Other than that, today, got a little things going on. I got to run to the bank, got to get some food. Right now, it's 11:51. I just woke up this morning, edited this video. First of all, I want to say I hope you guys are enjoying this new camera. I think that it's like... it's pretty clear, you know, it looks pretty good. Onto the 80D, and I got the Ronin, so you'll see more footage from that. But today what I got planned is we're gonna head over to my boy Martin's house. You guys know Martin, you've seen him in the videos. I have never checked out his Trailblazer, so I'll bring the Ronin over. Hopefully we can check that out a little bit. And we're gonna do a delete to the truck, finally deleting the truck. First of all, I gotta empty out my toolbox. I have a ton of stuff in there, and it's new year, new me, so it's gonna be empty. And then I gotta run to the bank, get some food, then head over to Martin's and see what that entails. But it's cold out. Down here in North Carolina, it is freezing. So I'm excited, get some stuff done today, and then tomorrow, I don't know, I gotta figure out something to do tomorrow. Also, if you haven't checked out Jeff from High PSI TV, his latest video, I'll tag that somewhere up here and in the link below. He did an install, which I filmed for him on the Ronin, so I'm just getting used to it. But he did an install on Martin's truck, who has L5P, I think it's what like the official term is, the new DURAMAX diesel. He did an S&B intake install video on that, which turned out really cool. It looked like Stacey David up there with, you know, the nice pan shots. So the Ronin and this camera paired together are badass. Right now, I'm on the 10 to 18 millimeter lens. Also, I get some questions. Guys ask like what equipment I use to film. If I get enough comments on that, I will do a separate video on what I use. You don't need everything that I use. I just like to make some really nice stuff. Other than that, I'm so not excited to go out there in the cold and do all that stuff. But let's get this day started. It is a chilly one, so there ain't nothing to do but just do it. I left my boots in my truck, so right now I'm wearing my shoes, but my feet are gonna freeze. A lot. What do I keep in my toolbox? And I honestly don't keep too much. I got this, like, has like 7 screwdrivers, some wheel locks, some jack stands. My jack is broken, my ratchet straps, and then some other stuff for the truck. So as of right now, empty this out. And that's everything. Got everything out of the toolbox, starting off the year fresh. Got my paycheck. The sun is kind of warm, the air is cold. I'm gonna hop in the DURAMAX. Let's get on the road. Alright, so we are here. I just stopped by the bank and now I'm in the line at Bojangles. As you guys can see, it is a little long. All these places down here, if you're not from the South, you don't realize, like, Bojangles, Chick-fil-A, and Zaxby's, like, the weekends, game over. I made the mistake when I pulled in. I went in the wrong entrance, first of all. If you go in the back entrance, you could bypass the drive-thru, which I normally do. I normally just walk in, get it, and walk out, because I'm not that lazy. But I got caught in the drive-thru line, so I'm like, shit. And I'm at the front of the building here. obviously order at the back of the building. And I mean, this is what they will do for some good fried chicken. I mean, listen, you can't go wrong with it. It's delicious. All right, we are pulling up here to Martin's house, and it looks like he's got all things going on. Martin's already yelling at me. He's already yelling at me, but that's Philip's dually over there. It's the other one. That thing's pretty all hopped up. I want to do a little bit more diesel stuff, so I think that we will be talking with him. But if you don't mind, I'm going to make a Chewbacca noise here in a second. And I'm going to park my truck right here. All right, so we're gonna run into Lillington, which is right down the road from Martin's house. He needs to get some stuff for his grill, but if you guys can see here, I'm still rubbing a little bit. I think the truck settled down even a little bit more, and I tore the fender liner, so I need to, sorry if you guys couldn't see that, tore the fender liner right here a little bit, so I need to, you know, just cut that off. It's only in reverse is where it really grabs it and pulls it back, but now it doesn't make any noise. It's self-clearanced, but we are going to say goodbye to my DURAMAX here, the low one, and get in Martin's lifted DURAMAX. This is the L5P. If you checked out the video with Jeff doing the install on it, this thing's brand spanking new. He's got a Cognito lift on it. I think it's like a hybrid lift, so it lifts up the back, and he's on some 35s. This thing rides pretty good. It's like climbing up a mountain to get this thing.
No, you're just used to a lower truck.
All right, guys, so if you guys don't know from other videos, this is Martin. We got Carly back here. What are you, a helper today?
Yeah.
So, and I was telling him, what's this truck? It is lifted with what, like a hybrid lift?
Got a Cognito leveling kit.
And then Fox shocks?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty sweet. And I will say it does ride a lot better than mine, and it's a lot faster than mine. Maybe we'll do a race here in the future.
Yeah.
Even though I beat Martin every time we race, so I'll probably find a way to win. But yeah, we'll ride in this thing and get some stuff, and then back here. So we just got back from running around a little bit, and then fed the horses, which I now discovered I really don't like horses. I don't mind looking at them, but being up close, no, not for me.
For you.
Yeah, those things, like you said, if one kicks you,
Yeah.
that's game over, huh?
You just gotta stay away from them.
Yeah, no, and they like, yeah. No, I'm not a horse guy here. So it's freezing out. What is it, 29 degrees?
Now we're gonna go in the shop where it's warm.
Feels like 10, but now we are going to, are we gonna delete something? I haven't told people. I told people I'm deleting my truck right now.
We're gonna make it where it doesn't look like a work truck.
We're deleting the toolbox because Martin said it looks like a work truck, huh? You don't like chrome, no chrome toolbox?
This isn't a chrome toolbox.
What is it?
It's a diamond plate toolbox.
All right, well, Martin's got a chrome one. Won't give me his, so it looks like we're gonna go with a black Low Pro in the future. So this one will be for sale. Just got rid of the, and this one's nice. Martin, what's its condition? What would you rate it?
Good shape.
There's no dents and dings, but the finish on it.
Yeah, there's 2 dents. I mean, it'll work.
Yeah, if someone wants this, I mean, honestly, someone throw me $100, you could take this sucker home, and it could be yours. Other than that, let's get this out. I was hoping Philip's silver truck was here, because if it was, then I would throw this in there just to piss him off. So if you had to go somewhere, you'd have this ugly toolbox sitting there with him, but we ain't gonna do that because it's ain't here. So, and then later we'll talk about Martin's Trailblazer, which has never been seen on this channel. It's been on 1320 before. I don't have to do anything today. I'm just getting pampered here.
Just turn it sideways.
Oh, dude, it looks like a race truck now.
That's what you want to call it?
Truck now, toolbox list. Get a black Low Pro in here, and we should be good to go. But yes, the toolbox delete is now done. Less work truck-ish. the next step after this will actually be the delete. I wasn't kidding when I said that. We're going to delete the DEF system, the factory exhaust system on it. Already got that ordered. I got a 5-inch Flow Pro. We're gonna do a custom exhaust tip setup. And then, Martin, what exactly is the tuning software that we're going with for the delete?
You're gonna use PPI, cordless tunes.
And then what's the programmer that we use? So I'll have
You'll have an auto cow handheld.
and then we'll have the DP5 switch.
DPS5 switch.
And that's pretty much, and S&B.
Levels on the fly.
S&B and
cold air.
And that's pretty much
air
it.
dog lift pump.
Coming soon. Not doing that quite yet.
Do some intercooler pipes on it.
And I think that's pretty much as far as we're really going to go with it.
On the stock fuel system.
Because, yeah, and what'd you say, going from a CP4 to a CP3, which is the...
Yeah, you may have to do the CP3 conversion if you want to go any higher on the power, but I think you'll have plenty.
Yeah, and the plan is to put bags on it because it is lowered now, so it's kind of, towing capabilities are reduced, definitely.
You'll be fine with bags, though.
So we'll put some bags on it, and then if I can go lower, I definitely will. The issue in the front, right now I got a pretty, I'd say the angle is about maxed out for the upper control arm. You can see that's pretty much straight across. What do you think about that?
You can probably find somebody who'll set up a control arms, or we'll do a drop spindle one. I haven't looked. I don't lower diesels.
What are you saying about that right now, huh? What are you saying? Don't lower diesels.
That's not typically.
What he's saying is no one has my style.
Okay.
Is that right? Yeah. So yeah, it is a 4-wheel drive truck, which everyone gives me shit. They're like, dude, why would you lower a 4-wheel drive truck? I guess because it's my truck and I want it lowered. So the angles are pretty straight across, aren't they?
You can go down some more.
That's what I like to hear. So the back's really not an issue because we can just take that overload spring out if we do go with...
We'll put some limited straps on it. You can do 4-wheel drive launches.
Yeah. Well, here we go again, getting into race truck.
Yeah.
We'll stick with race car. We'll leave the truck to tow. But yeah, once we put bags, I haven't even hooked anything up to it. I actually took the hitch out of it, so everyone thinks it's just Pavement Princess now. But we will be towing here shortly. I like this.
Do you like
Martin's
that?
talking shit on this. And this, you know what? Actually, I don't even like it because I got a broken front windshield. It didn't even do its job.
Pop the hood. We're going to take some of the grandpa off the truck.
Listen, if I wrap it white, it'll look great. I'm telling you.
This is what your grandpa runs.
I hit a buzzer in my brand new truck today. Yeah. I did.
This is the grandpa package. We've already.
Well, hey, listen, it did have, remember when it had the small mirrors on it too?
Yeah, so this has got to go.
All right, listen, say no more. We're at Martin's house, do what Martin says. This is like a sad moment. I talk about that a lot and how much I enjoy it.
It's because nobody that watches YouTube has one of these.
Did you really put a cone? Come on.
Dude, the truck came like that. The truck came like that, I'm telling
Nobody
you.
that watches YouTube has,
This is so sad.
even has a bug guard on their truck. Like I said, this is grandpa stuff here.
I should put that on mine.
I wonder if I could sell this as a package with the toolbox. You know, call it like
Possible.
the grandpa starter pack.
Possible. Let's just hope
Dude, that thing was good to me. I only used my wipers in this thing like twice.
that has nothing to do with it.
Oh, hell yeah, it does.
No.
Dude, the aerodynamics of it, wind would just come over and go straight over it. My MPGs are gonna go through the roof now.
But this is so ugly, you cannot leave it on
It
there.
looks
Horrible.
horrible. Like,
You said you wanted it to look better.
Yeah, I thought, I will say it does look better without the toolbox. It does look faster already. But I mean, look at this. I just come over here, I'm just getting torn apart. Maybe I'll put that in the toolbox and when I sell it, it'll be like a special surprise. You know, just like throw that in there. Look at this shit. Oh, that's how shitty that thing was, huh?
Yeah, see? You got some junk. You're gonna paint the front end anyway, it'll be alright.
I need a new hood. Look at the dent.
Yeah, you'll be
Dude, this thing that was hiding so much shit.
Yeah, it looked like shit too. Oh yeah, it'll be
Put a
alright.
rock chip.
cracked it.
Well, looks like, oh God, look at that.
Yeah.
Looks like L5P hood on the
Hey,
way.
guess what? Look at the smoothness.
Yeah, look how nice it looks now.
Like
This is some bullshit. What was there? Like what is this?
Rust.
Oh my God, you could see the dent from here. It is literally just the, oh. I could throw up right now.
this is not a sports car.
No, I mean, I could throw up. You could just see it. Oh, because, not unexpectedly, but I didn't time it right. The gentleman that is going to buy my wheels is already there. He said take him an hour and 50 minutes. He got here in like an hour and 20. So I'm gonna hop in the truck. Martin's gonna back me out, head back to the house, and then sell the wheels. It's the day after. I didn't have time to edit this video last night, so today is Sunday. I'm gonna edit this and get this out to you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. That really helps me out more than you can ever understand. And what else? Big thank you to Martin for letting me come over and hang out with him all day and take some junk off my truck. Like always, check out my two guys, Jeff from High PSI TV and RPM Motorsports. They're down in the link below. Other than that, be sure to comment, like, subscribe. I got a bunch of videos coming up for you guys. We'll see you next time.